Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Just want to take a look at Bitcoin as we're entering a new trading week here. We take a look at the short time frame chart, as everything else was discussed in the previous video. So it's really only about, what is likely here and what are the key levels. We continue to have this sort of inverse head and shoulders here, which of course doesn't need to play out, but it is certainly a bullish reversal pattern, which, as I said, doesn't need to play out, but it's something on the chart. And the neckline would be 16.8k. And if it breaks, it could send us into the 18 to 19k region. I do actually expect primarily short-term upside, which doesn't mean that the bear market low has to be in. It just means that there is short-term upside potential in a larger wave 4. And this would eventually lead to another wave 5 to the downside. Which means the low in my primary expectation hasn't been in yet. However, it suggests short-term upside potential is there as long as we are holding above 15.7k. As soon as we drop below 15.7k, we are most likely going down directly and head into the region between 14 and 14.5k. So what is going to happen here now? Well, I'd like to change the short-term wave count just from an ABC into a WXY. That is what I think it's looking more like a WXY. 3 waves down, 3 waves up, but not as a flat, because the flat would have retraced more. And then it would be likely here to see this Y wave play out in another ABC, which would be looking like this: A, B, and then the C wave down. Wouldn't be surprised if we see that. Short-term upside potential would not be damaged with that, yeah, because this is in fact the area that I originally thought the price would head into in a wave 2. Whoops, let me just change that. And it is the area that is located between, so let me just, this has to move up. No, that's fine. 15.7k. Yeah, I did scale that down a little bit from the 78.6% fib level, just to get a round number. 15.7k to 16,140. Yeah, between the 50% fib level and just below the 78.6% fib level. This is sort of the area where I would expect, with the highest likelihood, such a wave 2 to get into. Could the wave 2 be already in? Yes, but I don't find it very likely. The chart structure doesn't really suggest it yet. But should we break out above 16.8k directly, then we are already, earlier than expected, unlocking the upside potential to 18 to 19k. As per the fib levels, it would be ideal for a wave 2 to get into this region and then to start, yeah. But obviously we've got this inverse head and shoulders, which, we could very well break straight away. And then it would be a very shallow wave 2, which is of course possible as well. But yeah, this is sort of where we are, which means we shouldn't be surprised if we see some short-term downside. Confirmation that this is starting would be obtained as soon as we get below the low of the wave A. That is at 16,400 pretty much. Yeah, if we break below that level, then I think you have, well, not confirmation, but you have a good indication that the C wave is starting. And then we have a 5-wave move down in this C wave, and that could play out shortly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, and that's how I see Bitcoin at the moment. Of course, I'll keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.